Hello guys, welcome to Noteartener. In this video I am showing you how you can enable or disable sensitive control on Instagram. Now before getting into the video, here is some intro about our channel. Our channel Noteartener is a tech tutorial channel, and here we upload daily how to tutorial videos bringing solution of your online problems that you are facing on your internet journey. So you can join our community by subscribing and pressing the bell icon to get free access to our interesting and informative tech tutorial videos. Now let's jump into the video. So firstly you have to open your Instagram app. Then you have to tap on this profile icon in the bottom right corner and it will redirect you to your profile page. Then you have to simply tap on this menu button in the top right corner. Then tap on the settings. When you are here, you have to tap on this account settings, and then when you scroll down, then you can see here sensitive content control option. So you have to simply tap on this and then you come to this page. Here it is saying that it will only control the posts that are offsetting or offensive on your explore page. So it does not control the what you see in direct messages, reels, stories, feed, or account recommendations. So what you can do is you can simply turn on the sensitive control option by simply tapping on this limit default option. So here you can see some photos and videos that could be upsetting or offensive. So it will only show some of the sensitive content control option. But if you want to limit even more, but then you can simply tap on this second option, limit even more sensitive content, then tap on this OK button. And now what it will do, it will show very fewer photos and videos that are upsetting or offensive. So it means that you can't really disable the sensitive content control. You may still see some photos and videos that have some sensitive content. So that's it, that how you can enable and little bit control your what you see on your explore page. So that's it, that how you can do this. If you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video and share this video with your friends. So that's it, see you next time.